Hello, everyone. I'm back again with another exciting topic that's integral to our personal and professional lives. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of conflict resolution. Conflict. It's something we all encounter, whether it's a disagreement with a colleague at work or a misunderstanding with a friend or family member. However, the way we respond to these conflicts can profoundly impact our relationships and our own well being. So, what exactly is conflict resolution? It's the process of finding a solution to a disagreement or conflict, which can be achieved through various strategies, such as negotiation, mediation, or even arbitration. But how do we resolve conflicts effectively? Here are some key steps. The first step is to understand and articulate your needs and the needs of the other party. It's crucial to know what you both want to achieve a resolution. Next, we have listening actively. This involves truly hearing what the other party is saying without interruptions or judgments. The third step is to communicate openly and respectfully. Use I statements instead of you statements to express how you feel. This helps avoid accusations and defensiveness. Finally, look for win-win solutions. In most cases, a solution that benefits both parties can be found, creating a positive outcome for everyone. In our upcoming series, we will dive deeper into each of these steps, offering tips and techniques to help you become a master of conflict resolution. So don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, conflicts are inevitable, but they can lead to growth and improvement when resolved correctly. Thank you for watching.